Hello, welcome back to this complete character rigging series. In this series, we are trying to achieve a production level rig without using any script, and this is great for learning the beginners. So yes, and till now, what we have done is we have done our skeleton, we have done our controller setups for leg, IKFK with IKFK switch, and also we have done our IKFK switch for the hand, and the spine control is also there. So last time in the last video we were debugging our the weird orientation happening while we are doing the IKFK switch on our main joints. So we debugged it, we fixed it, so we can check now is when we are switching for IK, FK, there's no weird movement at all in the joint, so it's all fixed now. And we can also try to check its rotation. So yep, it's all going well. So this means like now this is working well. So yeah, so in this video we are going to do the FK setup for the fingers. So this round is not going to be too much technical. This will be more simpler. So yeah, so if you already seen how we are doing our spine rig and doing the connection over there, and but same thing we're gonna apply with the fingers, but it will be more simpler because we don't need to have any do the connections, and because this is the end controllers, fingers will be the end controllers of this hand, so not too much technical thing will be happening over here, at least in this series. So let's go along with this, and yes, so those who have already subscribed, already liked the channel, very very thanks to you, and those who have not, it's totally fine, you can do it at your own pace. So yes, so let's go ahead with our rig setup. So let's go with the finger setup and finger FK control. So yeah, so now let's start with our favorite nerve circle controller, Control G, and yes, this is mostly going to be hierarchy wise, like this will be the parent, child, and yeah, so this will be extremely boring, so you can just fast forward this video, it's totally fine. And same thing we're gonna do to the left, and same thing we're gonna do to the right. And if you want to see, like curious about seeing how this is happening, so please watch this video completely. All right, let's start with the thumb, or I prefer let's start with the index. Instead of joint, let's CTRL control, copy, and over here paste underscore GRP. So index 1 is done. So same thing we're gonna do, what we do first, like do select the group first, then this, and then we are going to match its position, so at least we will be seeing our controller. So let's increase its radius. Oh, sorry, this is a section. Increase its radius now. Yes, this is good. So let's control D. This is the second controller. Yep, this is the second controller. Then select this, and match it, and control D. And this is will be the index third controller. Name it correctly, and yeah, we have here our history. Remove the history. Third one is still here. Check the group. Select joint. Matches transformations. Cool. So now this is done. Let's put this. Oh, sorry. Let's put this in the proper hierarchy wise 3 to 1, and this group should be in the controller of the one. So our first finger, the index finger FK controller is ready now. So same thing, we're gonna duplicate this and do the repeating same thing with the other fingers. Control D, and then check this D, follow this, then second one, and this is the third one. This is great. Let's rename this, or we can rename at the end. This is fine. Control D, and yeah, this one here. This one goes to the second, and the third one going to be third one. Yeah, and the last, not the last, index, and this one is the pinky finger. This one, pinky. So we are not doing any kind of technical setup. We just made one FK hierarchy over here in the finger and duplicating this and try to match its transformation to the joint. So there's no big deal of it. Just making proper. It's uh, making a proper hierarchy wise. So now the fourth one. Let's go for the thumb and yeah, match it. Open this second one, and this is the last one. So yeah, so all of the control is matched. Let's fix its sizes. Let's come up here. All right, leave it there. Try to size this. Yep, great. Oh, sorry. Control vertex, select one control, CVs. Now I'm just trying to reshape according to fitting to the model. Yep, almost done. Only remains the thumb now. Yep, fingers are done. Now the thumb controller is, it looks decent. There's nothing much to change except the first one. Let's increase its size to make it prominent, and this one let's decrease its size a little bit. That's great. So yeah, so now all of these fingers controllers are done, by the way. So first start renaming it, and we know this one index is the only one which is has the correct naming. And let's start with the middle finger. So go for modify, search for index, INDEX, and instead of index, let's name this is a middle. This is a middle finger, and choose at a hierarchy. Apply this all index change into middle, 1 2 2 control 3, and yeah, cross check this. Then index, this should be the ring finger. All right, remove this. Now it's the unique name, and they should be the pinky finger. And comment down who don't know, the last finger is also, we call it the pinky finger. Many people don't know, many people know. Yeah, this is a pinky finger, and this one is a thumb. THUMB. So we can rig it faster by the combination of its tool. So it will make your time easy. So now this is the all of our finger controls. So what we're gonna do, make one empty group, just control G, and this group should be placing over here. So why I'm making this, so we can translate and parent this control this from this controller. So yeah, so this should be L underscore HA hand or fingers FINGERS finger CTRL underscore GRP. So this will be all of its finger controls will be situated inside it. Put it here, paste. So this is one group which containing all the controller of this. So let's start constraining in it. Parent constraint. Yeah, so parent constraint this, select this, press G. So keep following which I am doing exactly, and if you think there is something not making sense, so comment down below. Oh, there's something I have duplicated accidentally, I guess. Let's check what happened here. So we have two index fingers. Why? I don't know. Maybe sometime I have done it accidentally. If this anything weird is going on, just cross check and fix this at that moment. So that will be great. And so I think we have done this is great. So there's nothing to worry about it because we can always fix this. And as a rigging artist, it's our job to fix even a broken file. So yeah, and constraint, this one done. G, G, and this one. So yeah, so all of the controllers is now following, and the only thing remains is it's this control. So either we can make a parent constraint it, or we can just put it in the control group here. P, we can just parent over here, or we just like select this wrist, because we are not giving any wrist main joint wrist, and this will be giving the parent constraint for this one. So yeah, parent constraint. So wherever this follows, the all controller will follow, and the all controller will make follow the fingers. So if you want to check, so all controller will be following. Go here and check. These are all working, and even we switch to our IK and see in IK mode also this is following. Up, rotate. Mostly we are doing to as a rotation on the fingers. All right, so now the finger left hand side finger done. So I'm gonna repeat same thing over the right hand side. So if you think it's a boring, you can fast forward this. It's totally understandable. So why not control D, and so we can make L underscore R underscore, but we have to make sure there is some name like pinky thumb, which L underscore should be making conflict. Let's check that. Ring, L underscore ring is fine, L underscore middle 1 2 3 is fine, index is fine. Let's let L underscore become that underscore. Oh, then CTRL. Yeah, CTRL. If I going to rename the L underscore into R underscore, so we will be having conflict like CTRL become CTRR, and it will affect everything. So why not? Let's change that. Modify, search and replace. Just as a little tiny trick, you can avoid its naming issue. So go for CTRL and replace with something like a dummy. So later on we will change that also. Apply this. So now we don't have any more kind of that CTRL L underscore is thing which will be conflicting with L underscore the site. So now just name it properly, L underscore. We will do it like R underscore. Apply this and see now this is good. Now you can safely return back your L underscore become CTRL. So dummy become now CTRL hierarchy. And yeah, now we are good to go. close this and remove this one from here. And as I remember last time, we have a constraint. Delete that constraint. Right hand side, there's no use of it. So now, so again, we are not going to scale -1 or translate -1. We are just snapping it to one by one. So please do the same. Save your rig and now start snapping. Start with this. All right, so now the wrist is snap. Go for the index. This one is index. Snap. Middle finger. Snap. Ring finger. Snap. Pinky finger snap, and at the end thumb finger snap. So base controllers are now snapped over here. Now it's children's are not snap. So let's cross check. Why not? If we are going to miss something, let's go for the middle. The middle is going too deep inside the finger. Let's see over here what happened to middle over here. All right, not bad. We will change the switch for that. Save for that. We will change the shape. Don't worry. So let's start with the index one. Go for one is done. Go for two, three. Okay, index is done. Now go for the middle. Start with the two. This one's middle. Start with the two, and yeah, and this is three. Yeah. So now one. You can come over here, check over here. So this is bothering me right now. So let's put it little up right now. Come up. Cool. So let's check its pivot. It's on the joint itself. So it's, I know it's now correct. Yep, this is now correct. All right, so now this is okay, this is middle finger. Let's go with our ring finger. One is done, open it up, go for the second one, third one. Cool. So same thing we will repeat with the pinky finger, second and the third one. All right, the last but not the least, the thumb section. Second one and the third one. Cool. Yep. So now right is also complete. Now just do the parent constraint from this joint to right finger control group parent constraint, and so this will also start following. If you check this is also following the up, not the joint. Put the finger. Oh, we have not parent constraint the joint with the controller. Right now only the placement is done, and this should be the last step over here. I'm pressing G. It's repeating. Yeah, so in this way we are also about to complete our finger rigging, which was not too much exclusive here. This was only repeating its FK controls, the G. So this model, I don't think this model has something. This model is not hand is symmetry. It look like. So we will fix that in later on. But right now we are doing with this rigging setup. So yeah, and it's done. So let's why not test it out. So FK control, move it, check control is also moving. Then at the same time check with its all the controllers, so we will have a decent idea the finger is behaving well. And same thing, we gonna rust this towards the IK switch, and it should be there. And again we will move it somewhere, and then we will see our finger is rotating well, this one is moving well, and all the controllers are going well. So this is exactly what we wanted. All right. So now this is all complete for our finger rigging series. Finger rigging on this series, by the way. So yeah, and also this fingers will be all yellow color. So let's do that quickly. It will be a smaller step, by the way, not too much. All right, this is the left and right finger. Let's go for its group left. Same thing we're gonna do, drawing overrides, enable, and the fingers should be also yellow. Check for the yellow color here. So left finger's done, go for the right one. Okay, there's something change or what? No, okay. Go for the yellow color. Come here. Yeah. So now all the fingers are also yellow color, so these controllers are also looking good now. So this is exactly what we wanted. Yeah, this is simple fingers controls, not too much technical over here. Yes, we have auto curl and face, some position will be there, but not in this series. So I don't want to make it more complicated, as we already have done IKFK switches, and the beginner level will be stressed out. So yeah. So just keep it FK controller for the finger. That will be so good for you. So in the next part, we are going to see doing our head and the eye. So head will be FK, neck will be FK, but I will have some using a aim constant. So make sure follow that. So yes, and this is all for this session. So please like, subscribe to this channel, and who have like new to this channel, please follow this, and try to follow this from the first part, because the everything I have created is always connecting to the first part of this series. So yeah, so now it's fine. So if you have any kind of doubt, questions, request, or suggestion, please put it in the comment below. And all right, I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.